So, um, I communicated with one of my friends that's also really interested in physics and math and engineering, and he told me that my Peltier probably has the efficiency of 50% or 60% or something, but the thing is, if I let it be on the outside of the shirt, then it has to heat up or cool my shirt as well as the air around it, and that will drastically decrease the efficiency of my device because it has to heat up and cool a lot of other things. And so what he said was to use something very heat conductive and then have it against my body so that it would maximize the thermal efficiency. And that's what I thought about too. And I did at first when many days ago when I first thought about this project, but I did not realize the importance of this because I just blew up my my power step up, even though I have 5 volts times 2.4 amps, which will be 12 watts of power, and it's not even enough to power 6 Peltiers at the same time. So the design I'm going to have is something like this. Okay, so wait, hold on. Let me pull out my document real quick. East Prairie Company research. Okay. There's something called I hope I pointing out the right spot. So there's something called a heat conductive material. It's called ultra high molecular weight polyethylene fiber, and it is sold commercially under the brand name Dyneema. And if you click on this link, this will get to this AliExpress, which is one pretty promising retail that I feel like is going to give me the fiber that I want. This is, according to this video by Purdue University and by this researcher, PhD student, he's saying that it has a fabric that could conduct heat like a metal but still be flexible enough to be worn on the body. So the design I'm going to have will be, let me put down, a new design will probably be something like this. Wait. Imagine this is the inside of my tank top. So I'm gonna have different sections. On the inside, these are the fibers. And behind these fibers are the Peltiers. So these Peltiers is gonna give heat or cool to these ultra high molecular weight polystyrene fibers, and it's gonna dissipate the heat across the whole surface, and it does not require you to heat up, for example, the wool part of the cloth. And I think this will increase the thermal efficiency a lot better. Another thing is that I can also add some coating to this fiber so that it can dissipate heat slower as well. I think that would be like version 2 of my design, and I am thinking of the challenge of this is that I have to sew the fibers as well as the non-fiber part, because I feel like the fibers are not stretchy, and if you want to make undergarments like this, then you want some parts of it to be stretchy so that it's actually pretty comfortable. At the same time, also have fibers that can conduct heat very well, so that you can also feel the heat and the coolness of this vest to maximize the comfort as well as functionality. Hopefully that's version 2, but I need to think about how to do this. It's maybe I'll give it to the hands of like a Chinese manufacturer, and hopefully I can achieve a product of what I planned here.